British broker Winbitx stands as a newcomer on the online brokerage market. Modern, powerful, and above all up-to-date, a complete review of Winbitx, a broker with more than interesting potential. First of all, we will find a market philosophy that is more and more widespread, namely a mandatory registration to access the different services, something that we find today on the market of online brokers, but also in a majority of online platforms such as LinkedIn, for example. In this respect, there are several types of accounts, 7 in all, for different services. A bronze account will be offered as a first entry point with 10,000 euros deposit and benefits such as e-books, access to webinars, and access to social trading. The silver account will also offer VODs, for which you will have to make a deposit and add 25,000 euros to your account. There will then be various types of accounts from gold to premium, including diamond and VIP. All of them will offer different services with, of course, different deposit amounts. The main thing to remember here is that the larger the deposit, the larger the benefits. In the end, for example, the VIP account with 1 million euros in deposits will offer discounts on various trades, such as personal assistance or manager accounts. We will be here on the very VIP. In terms of assets, we will remain on a complete broker with a lot of advantages. First of all, we will have the opportunity to trade Forex and major pairs such as Euro US dollar, British pound US dollar, or US dollar Japanese yen. Then come a whole bunch of CFDs on shares with notably major American shares of the Nasdaq 100, CFDs on indices with DAX 30 or Dow Jones, EFTs or CFDs on commodities like oil, gold, or natural gas. In short, a complete broker with many trading possibilities. The possibilities, let's talk about them. We will find here many derivatives. If CFDs are of course at the top of the list, we will find here crowds of options, especially on the Forex market, with vanilla options, for example. Another opportunity for traders who do not necessarily want to use CFDs. In addition to these aspects, an Islamic account will be offered. It will allow amateurs or professionals of Muslim faith to trade in respect of their faith. This is another advantage that few brokers are able to offer. Note that an integration of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 will be offered. Also, trading via mobile will be largely possible with a fully responsive platform adapted to mobile screens. The user experience will be quite interesting since it is a modern and recent platform that knows the brokerage market perfectly. In fact, its construction is based on an analysis of customer demand, and we will find everything that the individual or professional trader wants to do his job and generate profits. A very good user experience with a rather good design. Lastly, we will be interested in the Pip Spread and the commissions that generally determine the use or not of a particular broker. Here, everything will depend on the asset traded. The commissions and Pip Spreads vary from one to another, always respecting an interesting market logic for the trader. This is also a point put forward by Winbitx on its website, which specifies to keep a rather flexible balance in order to provide the trader with an advantageous online broker from a profitability point of view. In short, Winbitx is still a young trading platform with great potential. The assets and various accounts offered will attract many traders, and the various advantages, such as the integration of MT4 and MT5, will make it possible to find a high-flying trading experience without losing sight of the daily routine. An online broker of the future with great promise.